Hello and welcome back to my tech travel and lifestyle journey.
You guys can see these buttons. This one is for controlling the speed, definitely, and this one is for photograph and video. So I think double click is for the video, double 2s could be the double click as well. So we'll try all these buttons when we are on the our flight reviews. Go to your Play Store if you have Android, or iStore, Apple Store I mean, and then you have to go in search and search for Deerc D20, and you have to choose where it says DEFPV, and when you go in, I've already installed, but once you install that, and then you have to go in the just open the app, and it will look like this. Then you have to press the drone icon, and there we go.